Okay, so the first step to making a successful channel is the name of your channel. It has to be something catchy. So I'm going to put Minecraft Kids 72. Yeah, that's very catchy. So it's as easy as that to make a channel. But now to bring subscribers in, we need to get the picture and the banner to look really good. So just search Google for Minecraft. Look, there we go. That's the perfect profile picture for your channel. Now we need to look for a banner. So let's just search Minecraft YouTube banner. There we go. That's a very good one. Wowee, doesn't your channel now look very professional? So now the next step is to actually make a video. As you can see, I've already got the video recorded here, so we're going to make an intro. Many people say you need software like Cinema 4D or After Effects to make a decent intro, but that's not true, as you can make a really good one on Sony Vegas or Windows Movie Maker. Alright, I'm just going to show you how to make a good one here. Alright, you just Minecraft Kid 72 presents. Okay, that's a good start. And then you can go over here to animation and you can choose a really professional looking animation. There we go. Doesn't that look professional? Now what we're missing is the music for the background of it. Okay, so let's have a look. There we go. Perfect. Doesn't that intro look professional now? Okay, so now we've got an intro of music, we need to sort out the audio and background music for the gameplay. So as you can see, I've already recorded my voice. So let's make it a bit sharper. Let's add some distortion. Distortion makes the audio sharper, especially if you enable hard clipping. You know what? We could actually just use the intro music for background music here. Okay, so now we've got some background music. Remember, don't turn it down. Keep it up so people can hear it. Lots of people make the mistake of turning it down so it like sort of blends into the background, but you've got to keep it up. Here's a quick pro tip. Put bandicam.com at the top. It just makes your videos look even more professional. Okay, so now we need to add some humor into the video. So let's just add some green screens here. These are like quick scopes and stuff, like hilarious jokes and that. Okay, so now we've got some really funny green screens and stuff. That's added some humor. We can concentrate on the outro now. So we need to just go, please curb stomp that like button. Okay, so now we need to remind the audience to leave a like, because sometimes a lot of audiences forget to leave a like, so we're just gonna put one in every few seconds. Okay, so now the video's done and is looking really professional. We need to render it and upload it. So let's just render that shit. Okay, so while it's rendering, we can open up Photoshop and make a good thumbnail. Okay, so the thumbnail is probably best to have something Minecraft related in the background. Let's just... There we go, that's good. So, okay, so if you watch the video to the end, then you know that I die at the end. So we're going to call the video Kids Dies in Minecraft. Now let's make the text bright red so it stands out. There we go. Okay, so since I die, I think it's appropriate to put like kid crying. Okay, that's a good one. Let's choose that. Alright, so here's a good picture that will go along well with that. Okay, so the kid's getting shot by SpongeBob. That's good. We just got to remove the background here. So it looks good. Fuck it, that's good enough. Alright, so that's our thumbnail. Okay, so now all we have to do is upload the video and it's done. Okay, so apparently we can't set our own thumbnail, which is pretty shit. So let's just use that one. That one looks good. Okay, so the video is up so you can watch if you want a Minecraft Kids 72. Let's just smash that like button. Okay, so I'm going to come back to this video tomorrow and see how it's doing. Okay, so it seems the video is doing alright. You know, it's got that many views. Okay, so remember, if this tutorial helped you curb stomp that
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another terrible video. Alright, it's time for today's segment of terrible Minecraft banners, because for some reason people who play Minecraft just don't know how to make a banner. Up first we have a Minecrafter, and his banner is literally just a Minecraft banner template. And the sad part is he almost has 8K subs.